So when you go ahead and start up a new store, create a brand new Facebook page, what you want to do is you want to start by creating a page like campaign, get some likes to your page, make it look authentic, warm up your Facebook ad account. And this is exactly why I created this tutorial. We are literally taking us step by step on how to go ahead and create your first ever page like campaign. And this video is perfect for people who just have no intention to start up a dropshipping store, but they just want to go ahead and get more likes to their Facebook page. So here's a step guide showing us everything, how to create the campaign, how to create the ad set, the ad, the description, the targeting, everything. Here's the whole over-the-shoulder tutorial.
So what do I do next?
So now you can go back to your Facebook ad manager. And click the green plus button.
That one.
Left-hand side. Create campaign. And then name it 001.pagelike campaign.
Here.
Yeah.
001 page like. Okay.
And then scroll down and then campaign objective, do page like.
Where is it?
Scroll down.
Page likes.
Let me see. Engagement. Try engagement.
Okay, engagement.
Scroll down.
Oh yeah.
Page
Oh,
like.
is that the one? Okay.
Yes. And now you go to your ad set. Click on
That one?
ad set.
Oh, okay. All right.
You can name it 001.
001.
Third world country page like.
Okay. Third world country page like. Okay.
Then you can scroll down.
Scroll down.
And then select page. Select your Facebook page.
That one?
Yep. Personal. Perfect. There it is. Blue and red.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Daily budget. You can put out $1 USD.
Here. Okay, just one.
Yep. Scroll down.
And
Location. Change it to say India.
India.
Put in the country. Yep. And then scroll down. Yep. And then you could go to your ad. One ad. Or edit placements.
Oh, that one? Okay. Yeah.
And do Facebook feed only. Yep, I think it's already selected Facebook feed, so it's automatic.
Yep.
And then I think now you go to your ad
So that one, right?
above. Yeah,
Yeah, this. Okay.
that's it. You can scroll down. Oh, you can name the ad. Ad 1.
Oh, add one.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. Yeah.
Let's see the preview first.
Oh, this one.
Scroll down on the right hand. The other scroll.
Oh,
To that. Yep, there. And try review and publish. See if it works. Click review and publish.
okay. So it should be nothing here, right? Which one should I pick?
Just click review and publish.
Continue.
Yep.
Do I need to put in something?
Yeah. So you can do this after the call.
Okay, so when I put this on, and is that means I'm good to go?
Correct. And that's how you go ahead
Okay.
and create your business manager, then create your Facebook page, then launch your first ad.
So what's the purpose of this engagement ad?
So you
Is this
put
just
some page likes, and it sort of warms up your Facebook account, and it makes sure it works. And yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Literally taking you guys step by step through the whole process. Super simple, super straightforward. I showed you guys everything. As you can see, it was over the shoulder. I showed Jeffrey here how to do it, so you guys should have no problem doing it on your side of things, because this is an over the shoulder walkthrough. So that means you can literally copy what I'm teaching Jeffrey and implement it yourself. So hopefully you guys are enjoying all these free clips, all these free segments I'm giving away on my channel. Lots of value. Question of the day: how many page likes does your page have? I think one of my pages, I think I have 5k. That's for the Andy My Facebook page, has only 5k likes, not too much, but let me know how many page likes does your page have. Other than that, before we end the video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winners here, if you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.